Bharat angkang Member of Parliament General Election kidopo pupen ke non amat tiket kehang atum dode sangse lasinon Assam angkang pen bangpho tiket pangdak pontang lu Bharatiya Janata Party pen bangpho men pangdak Lakhimpur Dibrugarh Jorhat Silchar le pen darang pen lasinon amat Lakhimpur pen ke kemalo lake Sarbananda Sonowal abarim Assam Chief Minister mate non amat ki khibam lake Cabinet Minister Government of India alangli ki claim kida mesen penajok non puthot alangli MP atiket cepalong thulo alangli Lakhimpur pensi non tiket cepalong lo lasi non puthot dam lo nang lake Dibrugarh along ripen lake Rameswar Tili lake Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas and Labor and Employment alangli ke Minister lo lasinon puthot dam chunang Jorhat pen lake Kumalo lake Topon Kumar Gogoi Jorhat pen non amat kilong lake Topon Kumar Gogoi lake Lok Sabha a member mate Minister of the State for the Power in Government of Assam alangli Topon Kumar Gogoi laki non puthot Silchar pendam senang Porimol Suklabaida laki Dholai Constituency pen MLA lo alangli Minister Cholong laki Minister Khibom laki Sarbor Sonodok Sonowal Chief Minister Kidoba Mahut alangli Minister Dolo laki non puthot dam thulo nang laki Darang Udalguri pen ke komalo laki Dilip Saikia laki Lok Sabha Lower House of the Parliament a member lo 2019 pen lapen ke non amar kido kikibom alangli General Secretary of Bharatiya Janata Party alangli tum tiket jelong pon lo lasi non amar Bharatiya Janata Party pen la bangpho amen pangdak pon lo lasi latum bangpho hello la constituency pho pen kacipate dunji atum lo